Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a beautiful scenery. Let's start the drawing. Previously, I have already put some colors here. So black and the bright golden color and other colors. This is a wooden piece, you can see. All right. Okay. So let's start the drawing. On these hills up here, I'm going to put a person. Okay, who is sitting here. All right, sitting here. So from the drawing you will easily understand the main theme. Okay, I'm just drawing the legs here. All right, putting the colors to draw the legs. Okay, and the details of the hair. It's a girl actually. You can see from the hair. All right, and another legs is going to be like this. Mhm. It's a very sophisticated drawing, so let's put the color in a nice way. And she is holding something. Okay, let's put the hands more clearly. Holding something, and we're going to draw a cage, like a bird's cage. mm-hmm. Okay, something in the bottom. All right, okay, so the cage is here. All right, now let's show a bird is flying from the cage. It's a very symbolic drawing, and there's the real flavor of the artist. Like, you want to express something, then you have to be very creative. That's how the depiction or the description of the drawings becomes wonderful. All right, maybe we're going to put few grasses up the hills. Okay, to make it more realistic. You can see the presence of grasses makes it more real. Mhm. And let's draw a tree behind the girl. Okay, only few strokes and the tree is getting nicely visible. The branches are quite thick in the beginning, and yeah, we're trying to make it as realistic as possible. Okay, lots of branches. All right. Another branch maybe here. Okay, from the other side, let's put the racks like this. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, so this is the basic drawing of the girl. As you can see, for more emphasis on the color, let's put another layer because the first layer may be dry. All right, let's put a single star, or you can put any other things, maybe star or the moon. So it's going to need a very little white color to draw the moon up here in the sky. Okay. So I took the color and okay, this position is good. So very little white color. All right. So this is a very nice painting. I hope you like it, and the presentations, everything looks good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel as you like the videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.